Wi-Fi disconnects frequently in MacBook. If your MacBook's Wi-Fi disconnects frequently, then try these fixes. First of all, restart your Mac and router. Simply click on the Apple menu at the top left corner of your screen, then a drop-down menu will appear. From there, tap on the restart and restart your MacBook. Do same with the Wi-Fi router as well. Unplug it for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Once you restart your Mac and router, you can simply go to the system settings or tap on the Wi-Fi at the top right corner. Then tap on the Wi-Fi settings and navigate to your system settings Wi-Fi. Now there, click three dot right next to the Wi-Fi you are connected to and tap on the forget this network. Now, reconnect by entering the Wi-Fi password. Once done so, simply tap on the command and spacebar together. Once you press command and spacebar together, you will get to see Spotlight search. Then type down terminal. Now once in terminal, run this command and all you have to do is enter your MacBook password then reconnect to Wi-Fi. So that is it. If all else fails, then check with the internet service provider for network issues. If your Mac has hardware issues, then simply visit Apple support. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.